Hello friends, today I am going to tell you a story. This story is based on the life of Sir Isaac Newton, the famous mathematician, physicist, natural philosopher and astronomer. So this was a time when he was studying in Cambridge University, Trinity. In the second year of his graduation, there was an incident of Great Plague. This bubonic plague, which hit this part of the world, forced thousands of people to sit at home. Just like we are under lockdown, this entire region was under lockdown. So Newton, who was an undergrad student at Cambridge, was also required to sit at home. This was almost like a time of depression for Newton, who was used to so much of study, so much of thinking. Suddenly he didn't know what to do. So he took a retreat towards his countryside home, which was in Lincolnshire. So it was this place where he went during his lockdown, and this wonderful place where he worked on early calculus. He worked on his laws of motion, law of gravitation. He developed theory of optics. So all of you know about this apple tree, okay, which is spoken when we talk about law of gravitation. So there is a story which is created that Newton was sitting under an apple tree and he saw an apple falling down, and he started wondering that is this because earth is pulling the apple down? So when apple loses its contact from the tree, it is not falling by itself, but there is a mysterious force in the earth that is pulling it down. So at that point in time, it was just an ordinary event. Can you imagine, just 1665? Okay, I think 1665, 1666, around that time. But he realized that there is something in the earth that it is pulling the objects towards itself. And there came the law of gravitation. Every object attracts every other object with a force which is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So this particular Newton's law of gravitation came into birth at the time of lockdown. Now, theory of optics. You all must be knowing that when we see through a ruler, we see those 7 colors. Or when you have a tube light and light coming from that tube light passes through a ruler, it separates into 7 colors. It's an ordinary phenomenon for us. Earlier, people thought it is from the prism the 7 colors are coming. But Newton introduced the phenomenon of dispersion of light, which showed that light is made up of 7 colors. So when it comes out of the prism, it separates into the 7 colors. So this place at his countryside, this period during the lockdown, he did wonderful work of research. And therefore he calls the lockdown period or the crisis period as the years of wonder. So a hero was born at the time of crisis. So my friends, this is a lockdown time, it is a crisis time, and it is a time that we awaken that hero within us. There have been in past where you have experienced crisis in the form of loss of job, in the form of failure during examination, or maybe loss of somebody very close to you. Now that crisis created a new you. You took some decisions at that point in time. You brought some amendments in your life. So I really look forward, you guys, revamping yourself. It is a time to recreate, rebuild, and come out stronger from the lockdown. So this was the story of Sir Isaac Newton, how he converted the crisis into the best times of his years. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Darshana signing off.